Hello there! Welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. So this week I'm doing something a little different. I know it's early for another shot already, but I needed to do this, and I need to take off for about 3 weeks because Jen's brain is having just processing stuff and dealing with various circumstances that my brain is going to start doing the circle loop of loading, and I haven't had a breakdown yet. I had a little meltdown, but I haven't had a complete breakdown, but it feels like, it's just around the corner. I have not crafted anything in the last 2 days. I move things around, so it looks like I've done something. I've done nothing other than move it from one side of the table to the other, and that's about it. So, and that's really out of the norm for me. So I know there's something going on, and I need to take a break for a while, and I have, like I said, no desire to do a craft, so I didn't even have anything planned for this week. I was kind of panicked. I was like, well, wait a minute. So this is why you guys are getting a shot this week, and then in 3 weeks I'll be back. Should be ready to go. I'll have some things lined up. Make sure you're subscribed. That way when I do come back and if I come back a little bit early or something, you'll get notified that those are coming. So enjoy the following burps. Oh. Ow. Ah. Oh. Hi. Do you want to show everybody? Say hello. You have things to say? No, not now. Gimme kiss. Gimme kiss. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys have a good week. And remember, I'll be back in about 3 weeks. So it should be about, I think it's April 22nd is when I plan on reposting again. But again, it may be a little sooner. So make sure you're subscribed so you'll get that notification. And yeah, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in 3 weeks.